Good
Hello.
evening. Now we're gonna cook a really quick and good fish soup. Here, start with fry up a little onion, garlic, ginger first. Garlic. Ginger. Chili flakes. For the chef. Cold one always. That should do. Right. Okay. This coconut milk. With salt. Pepper. And a little fish broth.
Break.
And tomato puree. Maybe not much. And then gonna take little ketchup, I think, too. And here we put in carrots. And potato.
This white thing is actually potato.
Yeah, we bought this in Beckway,
Yes.
and this Barbados.
Yummy.
Then down with this. So now this gonna cook for 30 minutes, or the potato and the carrot must be a little soft.
Electricity went off.
The fuse blew. Yeah, the fuse.
Here we go.
Now continue.
Alright.
Okay. 20-30 minutes. Now the potato and the carrot are a little soft. I have add a little of this thymian when you were away. So now we're gonna put in some scallops and our own mai.
Yes. Best fish I've ever eaten.
Yes. This is only gonna be in for maybe 3 minutes. And then you can put it off and let it rest for maybe 2-3 minutes more before. So this was a very quick and very good fish soup from Sailing Meat.